Let's make these super healthy, no-bake vegan chocolate peanut butter cookies. So here's all the ingredients you're gonna need. Feel free to pause the screen if you wanna get those. So we're gonna start with a 1/4 cup of coconut oil in a saucepan on medium heat and just melt that down all the way. Make sure you have all your ingredients ahead of time. Then a 1/4 cup of almond milk. Then we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of all natural peanut butter. A pinch of salt. If it's unsalted, you'll need to add in as well. Then 2 cups of instant oats, and we're gonna mix that all in together until it's nicely mixed. And if your plant milk didn't have vanilla extract in it, you can add a little bit of vanilla extract. And I added in a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds. I'm just gonna cook that for 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's ready. Seriously, so fast. So you have to be ready on this and just stir it constantly so that you don't burn it. But it's super easy and super fast. Then you just transfer it into a mixing bowl, let it cool a little, and you can grab about 1/8 a cup of it at a time and shape it into little cookies. And I'm placing them on a lightly greased baking sheet, or you could place them on parchment paper, whatever you prefer, and it makes about 18 cookies total. Now you'll want to refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes, and then they are ready to serve. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button below.